Hello everyone, welcome back to MathFriend channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to solve logarithm problems. First and foremost, to understand logarithms we need to understand the properties of logarithms. So I do suggest all the students to first learn the formulae so that easily you can understand how to solve the problems. Properties of logarithms are, first one, this is product rule. Product rule says that log xy base a. We read it as log xy base a is equal to log x base a plus log y base a. It is called as quotient rule. In this one, log x by y base a is equal to log x base a minus log y base a. Third one is power rule. Log x power m base a is equal to, whenever the power comes, we need to take this power to left side. Take the power to left side. So m log x base a, very important formula. This is one more extra formula which is very important, and whenever the concept comes, this helps us solving the problem easily. So log x power n base a power n is equal to, just take m by n. M by n log x base a. Fifth one is a power log n base a is equal to n, just n. Sixth one, log a base a is equal to 1. Seventh is log 1 base a equal to 0. Eighth is exponential to logarithm form. Now, we are going to apply these properties in solving various problems. So, let's get started. Let us solve this first question. Here, log 25 base 5 and log 8 base 2. We read it like that. So, first we read 25 and the base to be read later. So, 25 log 25 base 5 log 8 base 2. Now, whenever we are solving this one, bases are different, so we can't apply first formula, that is product rule. Now, we are going to write log 25 is 5 power 2 base 5 plus log 8 is 2 power 3 base 2. So log 5 power 5 base 5 plus log 2 power 3 base 2. Here we are supposed to select a formula, this formula. So we use power formula. So log x power n base a is equal to m log x base a. This formula. According to this formula, power comes to left side. So we write it as 2 log 5 base 5 plus this power comes this side. So 3 log 2 base 2. Now another formula. What is that? Log a base a. Log a base a. It is log a base a is equal to 1. So based on that one, 2 into log 5 base 5 means 1. Log 10 base 10 is 1. Log 7 base 7 is 1. So log 2 base 2 is also 1. Plus 3 into 1. So it's very clear that 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Hence the answer for this logarithm is 5. Very simple. Now moving on to second question. Expand log of this one. Expand log 625 by 32. Write this one as product of primes. 625 means we can write it with 5. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 fives are. Then 5 twos are, 5s are. 5 fives are. So 625. Then 32 with 2. Product of primes. 2 tables, 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, and 2 2s are. So how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5. So we write it as log 5 power 4 by 2 power 5. Now this is clearly in the form of quotient rule. Log x by y is equal to log x base a minus log y base a. So we just write it as log 5 power 4 minus log 2 power 5. So when we write like this, here again this formula comes into picture, power formula, okay, power rule. So you need to mention the formula compulsorily. So log x power m base a is equal to m log x base a. Now you are going to write it as 4 log 5, minus is there, write minus, 5 log 2. This is called the expanded form of given log. Let us move on to the next question. Here we need to find x value if this is the question. 3 log 5 plus half log 16 minus log 4 equal to log x. Let us take this LHS side. We need to equate it to RHS side and solve it. The number is here, so take it as power this time. So we use this formula in reverse way, that is m log x base a is equal to log x power m base a. So we are going to use this formula. We will bring this power here, this 3 as power. So log 5 power 3 plus half goes as power to 16. So log 16 power 1 by 2 minus log 4. Try to understand, this is very, very important. Whenever we write root 5 in exponential form, it is 5 power 1 by 2. Root 7 in exponential form is 7 power 1 by 2. And if we are having any exponential form, form 9 power 1 by 2, then this should be written as root 9. Are you getting it? So similarly, if 16 power 1 by 2 is given, 16 power 1 by 2, we need to write it as root 16. Hope it is clear. Now we are going to use this one here. So log 5 power 3 plus, this is log root 16 minus log 4. What is root 16? Root 16. This is a perfect square number. 16 is perfect square number. So we can write it as root over 4 square. Square and root gets cancelled. Answer is 4. So we can write root 16 as 4. We write it as log 5 power 3 plus log 4 minus log 4. We can clearly understand this is plus log 4 minus log 4. So generally if it is plus 3 minus 3, answer becomes 0. Plus 10 minus 10, answer becomes 0. Means we can just cancel it out, the answer becomes 0. So we are cancelling this one. We left over with log 5 power 3. Now RHS side, log x. Therefore this implies x is equal to 5 power 3. Therefore x is equal to 5 power 3 is 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. Hence x value is 125. This is how we are going to solve the problem very easily. Let us solve this question. If 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x, find the value of x. The question is given as 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x. Apply log on both the sides. Log 2 power x plus 1 is equal to, use bracket, this becomes very easy to understand. So log 3 power 1 minus x. After applying log, we use power rule. So log, whenever we get power, we need to shift it here. Whenever any number is here, you shift it as power. So log x power m base a is equal to m log x base a. By using this formula, we will bring this power to left side, this side. So it is x plus 1 log 2 is equal to 1 minus x log 3. Once we got this step, let us go on with this one. X into log 2 is x log 2. Plus is there in between, so use plus here. 1 into log 2 is log 2 is equal to 1 into 3. 1 into log 3 is log 3 minus x into log 3 is x log 3. We can see x terms here. This is one x term, this is one x term. Bring x terms one side. So I am just bringing this x term this side and log 2 to right side. So x log 2 minus x log 3 plus minus quantity becomes plus. So we need to write it as plus here. Now log 3, log 2 is coming this side, so plus becomes minus log 2. X is common, so log 2 plus log 3 is equal to log 3 by 2. Why? Because this is quotient rule. Log x minus log y. It is quotient rule. Here we are applying quotient rule. Log x minus log y is equal to log x by y. For every step you need to support it with formula. Here plus is there. So we are going to use product rule. That is log 2 into 3 is equal to log 3 by 2. 2 3s are 6. X into something. So when this term goes here, x is equal to log 3 by 2 by log 6. This is the answer for the question. If you want to get it as a simplified answer, then I would suggest you can just solve it like this. Therefore, x is equal to log 3 by 2 by log 6. Let us see next question. Log x plus y by 3 is equal to half of log x plus log y. Then we need to find x by y plus y by x. It's very easy. We are going to take LHS side. Log x plus y by 3 is equal to log x plus log y. This is our product rule. So we will write it as 1 by 2 log xy. Why? Because log x plus log y is log xy basic. A need not be mentioned. Now 1 by 2 is the number this side. So we should take it as power. Take it as power. So left hand side will be as it is. X plus y by 3 is equal to log xy power 1 by 2. Just now we learned that after writing it as power, this is according to this rule, power rule. Now next, remove log from both the sides. We will be left over x plus y by 3 is equal to xy whole power 1 by 2. Observe it carefully. We just applied anti-log, removed logs. Now squaring on both the sides, SOBS, squaring on both sides. What will happen whenever we are squaring on both sides? This will be like whole square here and this will be whole square here. When we are squaring on both the sides, this square and inside 2 will be cancelled. Now what is left over? X plus y whole square by 3 square is 9 is equal to xy. Only xy, because 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. Bring this 9 here. So it is x plus y whole square. X square plus 2xy, I am expanding it, plus y square is equal to 9xy. Fine. Now after this one, we are going to take x square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy. Now let us continue the problem here. 9 minus 2 is 7xy. So x square plus y square is equal to 7xy. As it is 7xy and here also x square plus y square, divide both sides with xy. So when we divide like that, x square by xy plus y square by xy is equal to 7xy by xy. We are dividing with xy on both the sides. So we can cancel 1x, 1y, xy and xy. What are we left over with? X by y. X by y plus y by x is equal to 7. They asked us the value of x by y plus y by x. Therefore, x by y plus y by x is 7. This is how we are going to solve the problems using the properties of logarithms. I hope the video was informative to you all. Take some questions for practice. Try to solve it without seeing. Then you will be confident in completing the problem. Stay connected. My upcoming video will be about some essay questions related to logarithms. Thanks for watching.